conventional method of finding HCF is quite tedious. But as always, we are here to share some time-saving tricks. Welcome to the third episode of MTG's Basic Math Simplified series. Let's start. What is the HCF of 36 and 150? Surely, you will use the prime factorization method in order to solve this problem. However, there is one easy approach which can be applied here to get the right answer without doing the prime factorization. Firstly, we need to jot down the factors of the smallest number given in the question. Here, the smallest number is 36. So the factors of 36 are 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 32. Now, out of these factors, we need to check which one is also a factor of 150. As we see, 150 is divisible by 2, 3 and 6. However, it's not divisible by 4, 9, 12, 18 or 32. So, our common factors or CF are 2, 3 and 6. The highest number among these CFs is 6. Thus, the HCF is 6. Let's try another example. Let's find out the HCF of 30, 42 and 135. The smallest number here is 30 and the factors of 30 are 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now we'll check which one of these are factors. We divide 42 and 135, which is 3. So HCF is 3. Apart from this trick, you can also memorize the following tips to solve HCF problems faster. Check if the smallest number in the question divides the other numbers or not. If yes, then the smallest number in itself is the HCF. For example, let's find out the HCF of 8, 64 and 80. Here the smallest number is 8 and it completely divides 64 and 80. So here our HCF will be 8. Second trick is, the HCF of two prime numbers is always 1. For example, the HCF of 13 and 31 will be 1 because 13 and 31 are prime numbers. So I hope you learned something today. Do like this video and share it with your friends and spread this knowledge. Subscribe to MTG channel to learn more amazing and simple tricks from this series. I will see you soon.